Just saying hi. Right, doing thermostat now. So what I've done is I've removed the coolant reservoir out of the way. Under the front engine right here, engine bay, you've got let me try and get it on the camera. You've got a little drain plug up there. A little twisty. And then you turn that, and then as long as you make sure that you've got a hole up here somewhere, so you take cap off, take a hose off, all that coolant will run down. Now, where the engine is, towards the back, right rear, down here, you've got your housing by here. So the thermostat should be tucked in there nicely. So I'd recommend taking that out and then making sure you've got the right part then. Well, there should be about 3 bolts holding it on. There's one, and probably one on the other side somewhere as well. And they look about, what, 10? So you're looking, you've got they've been renewed, the clips, so it's silver by there. That's going to have to be twisted and rotated out the way. Right, now the casing is free. 3 bolts, 3 little bolts like so. And we have the thermostat. Right, so I knew it was the thermostat. You put this into boiling hot water, and what happens is there's a wax element inside because it's a mechanical thermostat, and the wax element goes hard, and it'll either get stuck open, completely shut. You never know. It'll cause circulation problems in the car plus overheating. I dumped this into a kettle of boiling water, and you watch the thermostat open and close. Now the old thermostat, which I will insert a video, the old thermostat is not working at all. It doesn't budge, doesn't let any water through, so that hot water circulating around the engine is not going to get through to the radiator. So that's a quick bench test you can do. Right, so I've bolted, it's a bit late on the day, I've bolted the new thermostat into place. I've done the tap back up under there, filled up with proper coolant. Just a quick note, on the thermostat housing you've got your 3 bolts, bolt them down very gradually. And for this little one that's recessed towards the engine, you're going to want like a UJ 3/8 ratchet with a 10mm socket just to get in past there, you know. That's bleeding the system now. So yeah, what you do is wait for that thermostat to open now, and boom, all the water should run through the system, bubbles should come out, this level will drop. We top that up quick to make sure the level doesn't drop too low. Let's have a quick look at the temperature gauge inside the vehicle. So far, all looks good, no problems. Not too bad a job at all. Really wasn't.